سر نحكي reaction شنو كي سنوز إيروام دابا واپس راولم back to this. So this is zero, 3 organelles. So 3 organelles which are involved over here will be chloroplast. Then padimans ke zikri se ase daga darkam aero darkam no di matlab da sho چې daga organelle به pass کوي daga organelle نه چې راوځي نو دا ځای به ګوره through cytoplasm it will pass through cytoplasm then pass به peroxisome ته ورننوځي from peroxisome. Then again, we will pass through the cytoplasm to the next organelle, and that is mitochondria. Clear? Now, here this is a bit complicated reaction. Asan ne na, no grande na. Rozum sara gurus photo respiration. The photosynthesis respiration, photosynthesis destruction, photosynthesis se जोड़ा है ना उल्टा पनुक्सान बसी ज़क होते the गरीब खनदी और इधर ज़क C2 cycle. So in this case C2 तो जो है you will see the main carbon compound चले अगर 2 carbon compound चलेगी अगर reaction एक मत की वो station other than 3 carbon या 4 carbon. Okay, so first of all, in chloroplast, the communication compound is ribulose biphosphate. Now, what's halat sari? There is concentration of oxygen. Oxygen will knock out carbon dioxide. Diksha? That's the competitive inhibitor there. And in this case, over here the enzyme will be so visco. So it will be now acting as what? Oxidizing enzyme, not carbohydrates. No, jida milaushi, taso pata hai che ribulose biphosphate so carbon compound hai 5 carbon. So in this reaction jide the rubisco sara milaushi, it is broken down into a 2 carbon fragment and a 3 carbon fragment. The 2 carbon compound is known as phosphoglycolic acid. The PV sodium and phosphoglycolic acid, and the 3 carbon compound is known as phosphoglyceric acid. Phosphoglyceric acid. That's already PGA. So you have 2 carbon compound rushi. So instead of producing a 6 carbon unstable compound,
yes,
was ulta it breaks it into a 3 and 2 carbon component. So the 3 carbon component number for 2 carbon component phosphoglycolic acid. So it will lose the inorganic phosphate. The phosphate group is removed from it. So it is converted into a 2 carbon compound called glycolic acid. So the glycolic acid which is so carbon compound.
2 carbon.
So you see over here the main fraction, the main fragment that carries on the reaction is a 2 carbon compound. Our glycolic acid is what the glycolate cycle. Also the glycolate convert ko form the basi. Now, glycolic acid through the cytoplasm enters the peroxisome. In the peroxisome, it will react with more oxygen. Correct? Anti-oxygen reaction. Then the no oxygen reaction with that glycolic acid. And this glycolic acid has a formula that CH2OH COOH. Huh? Just to remember, there are 2 carbon. So this glycolic acid will now react with further more peroxisome. देखिए कब यो enzyme ډیر زیات دي oxidases او per oxidases هم موجودي نو چې د دې سره ریاکشن وکړي نو دا دغه لګ ګلایکولیټ ته کنورټ کیږي وګورئ ګلایکولیټ سایکل ورته دی وځي نو the glycolic acid is converted into the glycolate آیا دغه لري کی هایدروجن دی هایدروکسل څه دی لري کی د دې وجه د glycolate وایي او هغه اکسیجن دلته د دې د هایدروجن سره شامل شي produces hydrogen peroxide which are destroying the cells the corrosivity is hydrogen peroxide that's the journey here hydrogen peroxide باقي کې بیا hydrogen peroxidase is called peroxisome now هغه بیا دا ماته into water and oxygen so don't go for that reaction هغه خپل کار دی هغه د انزایم تاسو چې کله کې organelle وي دا خپل کار now the glycolate will go further or the glycolate will now react so step number 1 2 number important yaad ek sath hu che ya khata shuru kara now this glycolate leg lambe ba da yaro bale buku doli ke che de sar taqabut takriban rawarasi sirf yo take pe raise it will react with glutamic acid amino acid glutamic acid so the 2 carbon glycolate will now react with glutamic acid and produce alpha ketoglutaric acid yaad da chapelu me aureda le kana so glutamic acid amino acid sara da glycolate reaction hoki transamination hoshi یو الفا کیټو ګلوټریک اسید جوړ شي او بل امینو اسید جوړ شي which is known as the glycine amino acid so amino acid جوړ شي glycine so this is step number 4 so in step 4 the glycolate react with glutamic acid to produce alpha ketoglutaric acid and amino acid glycine that's all. The amino acid glycine will now enter into mitochondria via
cytoplasm.
So over there, chikala dwa glycine usage. Yo na dwa in mitochondria. When 2 glycine act together, what will they produce? They will release through amino group and carbon dioxide and the single amino acid is produced which is known as serine. Correct? Glycine na convert shita serine amino acid. Then the glutamic acid amino acid ragala. Glutamic acid यो अल्फा कीटोग्लूटारिक एसिड जोड़ को यो ग्लाइसिन जोड़ को वो जिकला दो ग्लाइसिन दन नशी और अगर यो बल सर रिएक्शन होती डी कार्बोक्सिलेज और डी अमीनेज एंजाइम दो जना दागे ना अमाइनो ग्रुप लरिशी और कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड लरिशी और कम यो अमाइनो एसिड तक कन्वर्ट शी अमाइनो एसिड serine now we will make a re-entry of serine serine by re-entry kai chata back to peroxisome from the mitochondria. Serine bya danna bozai and serine will now react ugore was da dekhal ko sara bya reaction ho gayi mada air uguk jod kara da millan jod kara da any reason that the reaction is yati no serine will now react with soak alpha keto glutaric acid to produce the amino acid glutamic acid and another substance is produced hydroxypyruvic acid hydroxypyruvic This is a 3-carbon hydroxypyruvic acid. This hydroxypyruvic acid is now reduced to glyceric acid. So this is step number 5. This is step number 6. In step number 7, it is reduced NADH2. जब अपन हाइड्रोजन डिलीवर की जन नंबर से जुड़ की NAD और the hydroxypyruvic acid नंबर जुड़ शी glyceric acid also a 3-carbon compound glyceric acid. Now the glyceric acid will enter back to chloroplast via the cytoplasm. This is why. From the peroxisome to the chloroplast through cytoplasm and react with ATP there. The ATP cell reaction to produce, and a 3-carbon compound is produced which is known as phosphoglyceric acid. 3-carbon dale, 3-carbon dale. Da phosphoglyceric acid pejame, the tabali uprote. Au da phosphoglyceric acid. Da yauze kai. Da dwana. No 3 और 3 so carbon जोड़ाई. 6 जोड़ाई. 5 ना जोड़ेगा. No then अब यो carbon dioxide उसी. Yo carbon dioxide ते बल lose शी. The 5 carbon are to be easily generated. And they be work the or the key. Biate tasu ko relate ke carbon dioxide pama uzi oxygen use ki awaga khorak dala taba kai. No, this type of reaction solve C2 cycle, photorespiration, oxidative photosynthetic carbon cycle, or the negative photosynthesis.
सर 6 स्टेप ने लग रिपीट कैसा?
Come here.
6 स्टेप ने लग
6 step.
अधीन लग
So for 6 step के दंत के serine को डाल रहे हैं.
Yes sir.
Now serine दंत को compound जोड़ शे है आगे सर reaction.
Yes sir.
Serine will react with alpha ketoglutaric acid to generate to generate amino acid glutamic acid.
Yes sir.
That will be another reaction. And a 3-carbon compound hydroxypyruvic acid.
Yes sir.
The hydroxypyruvic acid is reduced by NADH2 to produce glyceric acid and NAD. Glyceric acid move to the chloroplast via cytoplasm and react with ATP to produce phosphate or phosphoglyceric acid. The two of the phosphoglyceric acid, that one was left in the chloroplast and one re-entered into the chloroplast, will react together to release carbon dioxide and regenerate a 5-carbon RU. This is the story of
the light reaction.
Asi खबर है da को देखा ना बल the light da shade comes in rising there कम reaction rising हम खबर photosynthesis da reaction ना रखा ही क्या ना फर्स्ट का सेल RUBPs जोड़ शेवी पयो सेकंड के पयो मिनट के पयो घंटे के تا لکه نور موزه یالته ګوره هغه کار وکړي C3 سایکل چې نه چې بند شوی کمپلیټ رواني بوټه به گروث کوي زه تاسو 75 والا C3 سایکل ته ځئ 25 دی خو را لګي ماتوم So that generate ki bachate actually. Da mata tu reaction there the balance the nishte che the dwa glycine interview. Because the dito tool balance ni kya ho gaya sam zora figures rashi bya pasar pala kai belo. So it is dependent on the light reaction because this RUBP is the prime thing of C3 reaction. Then agan arani usana beda dubi gayi. Agan to kya hum lagi aa rahe. खुदे तिसने नसर आली ज़रा तेरा पटाई और कम से कम 25% पटाई गोरे अनुवास the effect बस इगोर so the effects of combination this is your effects consequences